Hi, my name is Neish. I identify as a trans man, which means I was assigned female at birth, but I live my life as a man. The thing is though, while my trans identity is a large part of who I am, it is not everything that makes me who I am. I'm a partner, I'm a friend, I'm a family member, I'm a leader. I live my life boldly because to do anything differently would be to deny myself joy, happiness, and peace. Jamaica is not an easy place for transgender people. It is often unsafe, and policies and services often erase our very existence. Trans and gender non-conforming people are some of the bravest and most resilient people I know. I hope that one day we won't need to be bold. We can just simply be, because Jamaica is ours too. I am Jamaican. We are Jamaicans.